Today, we are going to take a look at the MALACASA 4-quart rectangular stoneware baking dish. The MALACASA stoneware baking dish is a 4-quart container, and it holds delicious casseroles and actually any type of meal that you would like to prepare. Now, it's beautiful. You can see it's gray and white marbling. You can see all the detail that is around this particular dish. This dish is a great addition to your kitchen because it's so versatile. Now, it is made so that you have good handles on the end, and I'm going to flip this over so you can see, but you have these nice handles on the end for you to be able to grip it and to be able to hold on to it when you're taking it in and out of the oven or the microwave or even the dishwasher. It also has these grooves that are around it so that heat will move and will heat evenly when you're baking your particular dishes. Now keep these things in mind, that this MALACASA stoneware baking dish is microwave safe, oven safe, up to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's also dishwasher safe. But the nice thing about it is that most of the time you can actually just take a sponge or a washcloth and wash this particular dish down, and whatever substance had baked on will come off very easily because the exterior of this dish, or the interior rather, of this dish is non-stick, and food will easily remove from it. It's versatile. You can use it to prepare casseroles. You can use it on your buffet for a salad or for a beautiful dessert, or really whatever it is that you decide to cook in this dish is going to be absolutely, number one, delicious, but number two, it's going to look very pretty because of the fact that this porcelain dish is beautiful. Now, just to go back over its features, it has the double-eared handles on each side. It has the smooth porcelain interior that is non-stick. We're able to use it in an oven up to 460 degrees, and it has great heat circulation. Thank you for watching this review of the MALACASA stoneware rectangular 4-quart dish.